Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix configuration system failed to initialize in Windows. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type exit. Second method is, type msconfig in Windows search bar. Click System Configuration. Click Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.